My teeth hurt badly. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. Put on mouth gag and check the gums. The gums are a bit swollen. Anti-inflammatory treatment is needed. Apply potion to wounds and swelling. Drag the machine to check the teeth. 2 decayed teeth are found. These 2 decayed teeth have small cavities. Dental filling treatment is needed. Dig out the black cavities first. There are a lot of bacteria coming from the cavities. Get rid of them quickly. Clean your teeth with water. The cavities are all cleaned up. Fill the cavities with fillings. Make the fillings hard with Blu-ray. The cavities are filled. Now polish the teeth. Treatment is complete. The bad bacteria are gone and the dirty cavities are filled. Thank you, doctor. Remember to brush your teeth every day and rinse your mouth after meals so you will not get cavities. Wow, you've earned a badge of dental filling.